This is Pacifique in West Hollywood. My name is Danielle, and I'm the executive chef. I've spent my whole career pursuing Japanese cuisine in New York City before coming here, and when I discovered all of California's beautiful produce and what they have to offer, I kind of gave birth to Pacifique's cuisine. My whole passion and personality comes out in my food. I'm kind of quirky little punk, and all of my dishes have a little bit of oddities to them. The first dish I made was a potato agnolotti, which has a classic French potato filling of Parmesan reblochon. It's topped with pink peppercorns, garlic chips, and salt-cured spicy cod roe called mentaiko. And the next dish is the shrimp cloud, which is a traditional Japanese shrimp cake made with shrimp and cod, and it's steamed, served with a nira and dashi lemon broth. Please come try my weird food at Pacifique in West Hollywood.